In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI assistants to create social posts. We are going to do this inside HubSpot using the social publishing tools and an AI text generator. If you follow along step by step, you will be able to go from an idea to a ready-to-post draft in just a few minutes. First, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you are using the correct login for your marketing workspace, since access can vary between user roles. Once you are signed in, you will be able to see the main navigation options that we need next. Next, go to Marketing, then Social. This is where HubSpot gathers your social publishing features in one place. As you click through the menu, watch for the social section to load, since the page layout may take a moment depending on your connection. Now click Create Social Post in the top right. You may notice this button is positioned for quick access, so it is typically easy to find. Choosing this option starts a new drafting area where you can select your channels and write or generate your content. After that, select your target social media channels. This matters because your post may need to match the style and requirements of each platform. Take a moment here to select the channels you actually want to post to, and keep in mind that different networks can have different lengths and formatting expectations. Next, click inside the post text area box. This is the main writing space where your content will appear. If you already see a cursor flashing, you are ready to begin. But if not, click directly into the box so the editor knows where to place your text. Then type a /, which is the slash key on your keyboard. In many editor setups, typing a slash opens quick actions or AI tools. Once the drop-down or pop-up appears, you will want to choose the option that lets you generate text. Next, select Generate Text from the pop-up menu. This tells HubSpot that you want help creating the words for your post, based on your instructions. Using this AI option is the key step that turns your topic into a structured draft. Now type your text prompt outlining the post topic. Keep your prompt clear and specific, so the AI can produce content that matches your intent. For example, you can mention what you are promoting and the main message you want to communicate. Focus on the topic and the goal of the post, since those details help the generated draft sound more aligned with your brand. After that, choose your preferred tone of voice from the drop-down menu. This is where you control the style, such as professional, friendly, or more energetic. Selecting the tone helps make the draft feel natural and consistent with how you usually communicate. Then click Generate Content. At this point, HubSpot will create draft text based on your prompt and tone selection. Wait for the generation to complete, and do not rush this part since you want to review the result carefully once it appears. Next, click Insert to paste the draft into your Composer box. This step places the AI-generated content into the main editor so you can review it, tweak it, and make it ready for publishing. Take a moment to read through what was generated and confirm it matches your topic and tone. After the draft is inserted, add tracking URLs, emojis, or media if needed. This part lets you customize the post for your marketing workflow. If you use tracking, your links should be in place before you schedule or publish. Also, only add emojis and media when they support your message and fit the format of your selected channels. Finally, click Schedule or Publish in the top right. Scheduling is useful if you want the post to go out at a specific time, while publishing sends it live right away. Choose the option that matches your workflow, and then confirm any final details that appear on screen. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.